Today, I'm showing you how you can add employees to your team for free. How? We did it. This year, we trained artificial intelligence and added at least 3 part-time employees to our team who are specialists at different things, and they're really good at what they do. They're always on time and they're never in a bad mood. And the best part, the cherry on top, is that it didn't cost us anything. So I'm a business owner myself, and I know how it feels to need to scale your business but not be able to afford to hire. It's like you've hit a glass ceiling and you don't know what else to do. It's super discouraging. And good help is essential for growth, but not only is it really hard to come by, it's becoming increasingly expensive. And that's exactly how we felt. But I have the solution, and it's so effective and it's so cheap, it feels like a cheat. But it's not. Artificial intelligence is there for anyone who wants to use it. So using it is totally fair game. I hear a lot of people saying that they're scared that AI is going to take their job, but those are the same people that don't know anything about it, don't know how to use it, and are just listening to alarmist news. The first thing you need to know about Chat GPT is that it has many limitations. The biggest one being you. And don't get offended, but let's suppose you need help with social media and you can't afford to hire a marketing person right now. So you ask Chat GPT, give me 5 ideas for Instagram Reels. It's going to try to give you the best answers that it can, but there's really not a lot for it to go off of. So what you need to do is be more specific. It needs to know more details about your business so it can make an informed recommendation. And right here, we're going to ask it to give me 5 ideas for Instagram Reels. And without any other information, this is what it's going to give you. This is exactly the type of prompt that somebody who doesn't know any better would open ChatGPT and plug in. It's going to tell you to do a tutorial or a how-to, a behind the scenes, quick tips or hacks, a challenge or a trend participation. This is going to give you a lot of work. You're going to have to go looking for the trend and showcase a transformation. Now, these don't apply to every business, and they're too general. They're not going to help you get what you actually came to Instagram for. So this chat is already messed up, so let's create a new one. And this time, the first thing that you're going to do is tell ChatGPT who it needs to be in order to effectively help you. Are you trying, do you need to hire an accountant, or do you need it to be a teacher so it can teach you something? Do you need it to be a script writer? No, in this case, we need it to be a social media expert. So act as a social media expert. Of course, I can provide you with information and advice on various aspects of social media management and strategy, now that it is a social media expert. The second thing that you need to do in order to get quality results from ChatGPT is feed it information so it can help you better. So you need to tell it about your business, about who you are, and I already have a prompt loaded up here. So my name is John. I own a real estate development company in Boston. My target audience is successful 28 to 45-year-olds who live in Massachusetts, are wealthy, and are looking for investment opportunities. So I'm giving it an actual picture of who our target audience is so we can communicate better with them. They usually drive expensive cars and own luxury goods and commodities. Again, we're being specific, and that's excellent. We have been in business for 12 years. We work with residential and commercial properties and are looking to transmit trust through our online presence. So it's telling ChatGPT who you are, who the business is, who the target audience is specifically, and you're telling it what your goal on social media is. So let's go ahead and send that. Hi, John. It's great to know more about your real estate development company and your target audience. See how this is more specific? And here are just some general strategies that you can use on social media for your business with your goal in mind. So now let's go ahead and ask it the same thing that we asked it before, but with a lot more information. Give me 5 ideas for Instagram Reels. Now your answers are already going to be a lot better than the first time around. So based on the information that it has, it's going to recommend a property showcase. All right, that's easy to understand. And it tells you specifically you can include stunning shots of interiors, exteriors, and any unique selling points. And then it even gives you ideas to add background music to set the mood and use text overlays to provide essential details like location, price, and square footage. So these answers are a lot more specific, but they could be better. And they're not better because our prompt up here wasn't specific. You need to always remember to be specific. So let's go ahead and edit our original prompt by using this little edit tool. And let's remind it of our goal with the goal of transmitting trust. And let's go ahead and send that again and see the difference. Anytime you ask Chat GPT to fill in the blanks, it does a bad job. That's why you need to be specific. All right, so certainly here are 5 Instagram Reel ideas that can help you transmit trust for your real estate development company. So again, a behind the scenes tour. Let's see how this one is different. Take your audience on a behind the scenes tour of one of your ongoing projects. Showcase the construction process, introduce your team members, and highlight the attention to detail that goes into your developments. This transparency can help you build trust by showcasing your commitment to quality and professionalism. So you can see that once we reminded ChatGPT of our goals, it's going to give you 5 ideas with your goal in mind. So let's see what else it gave us here. Client testimonials, and then it reminds you of your goal. Hearing directly from your happy customers can be a powerful way to establish trust and credibility. Absolutely. Local expertise. You are a business that offers services in a specific area, so it's important for your audience to know that you understand the rules and the regulations of that area, the market of that area. So position yourself as a local expert who understands the market inside and out. Offer valuable insights and tips for potential investors. Super specific. This visual proof of your work can instill confidence in your capabilities. Here you go, with your goal in mind. And that's how you can train ChatGPT to fill at least 3 different positions in your business for free. But things are evolving too quickly, and this alone isn't enough to guarantee that your business survives the AI revolution that's among us. But I promise to keep you updated with the latest to teach you how to use AI so your business survives and thrives. But in order for our content to reach you, you need to subscribe to our channel. Or in the very near future, you'll look back with regret because this was the opportunity that you didn't take seriously. So to recap, number 1, you need to tell AI who it needs to be in order to help you. Number 2, make your questions as specific as possible. Don't give it any opportunities to try to fill in the blank for you. Number 3, give it as much information about your business or you as possible. Number 4, when you ask, remind it of your goal. So if you want it to transmit trust, if you want it to sell, if you want it to convince, if you want it to be efficient or to appear more professional, you need to remind it of those goals. And the master tip, because you waited until the end, and I'm so thankful. This is only available in the paid version of ChatGPT, but it's only $20 a month, and trust me, it is extremely worth it. So instead of writing out all the information about your business like we did, the paid version, you can actually just paste the link to your website and say, navigate all of the pages of this website to learn about my business. And that saves you a lot of time. You're already cutting corners by using ChatGPT. Now I'm teaching you how to even be more efficient using it. And this is gonna make all the difference. Like I said, ChatGPT is available and free for everyone who wants to give it a go. But learning how to use it is going to make all the difference. Imagine not knowing this and opening ChatGPT and just asking it to give you 5 ideas for reels like we did in the very beginning. You're gonna close this and you're gonna think that everybody who's using it is crazy because these answers are terrible. But they're not. You just need to learn how to ask. And now you do. So I really hope that you use these tips to give your business a competitive edge. Don't take this revolution for granted. AI isn't going anywhere. So keep using Chat GPT, and remember, marketing should be sassy. Simba, was it good? Thanks for not walking around with your noisy little paws.